Guess what? Guess what I said was coming? You remember? Do you remember? What do you think it is? Alright, let's start with the small package. I already kind of semi-opened it. And voila! Yes. Yes. Well, we'll come back and finish looking at it. But I'm sure you can tell there's going to be something important, right? Good. Now, let's go for the big one. Let's go for the big one. Yeah. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Something I've been waiting for. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's get you ready. I'm so excited. Oh, yeah. I can tell. Oh, my gosh. Oh! What do you think? What do you think? I think you know what it is, right? All right. Let's get it finished and open. Careful now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I wasn't expecting it to be so heavy. All right. I'm gonna love it. I can tell already. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How am I gonna get this out? Alright. Oh my goodness. What have we got here? Woo! Woo! Look at this baby. A new boy. A new boy. Oh yeah. And this will definitely go on him. I was expecting a bigger bag, so I hope that it fits. I don't know. Looks kind of smallish. I don't think it's gonna fit on that drum. Might fit on Benji. But we'll see. We'll see. So here's the bag. Doesn't fit? Well, it'll fit on Benji. Because Benji's over here. Look at the size. The size of Benji and this one. Wow. I'm telling you. This baby, look at the design on this one. I guess I don't need to tune them up. Don't have a name yet. Yeah, I gotta think of a good name. If you have an idea for a name, let me know. Alright? Let me know what you think is a good name for this big boy. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with this one. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Well, whatever we call it, this big boy's gonna come out with me on Saturday, March 8th, at the Tavern at the End of the World. And then on Sunday, March 9th, at the Jungle. And we'll break them in. Oh yeah. Wow. Thank you for watching and sharing my excitement with my children. Benji over here. I had to put Benji has to get repaired. He has a little cut right here. So, this is going to come in handy. Yes. Thank you for watching.